we're doing a science experiment, and the question is, what happens when you put PopRocks and different kinds of liquids and things like that?
Okay.
And
I said that I thought there would be a change because I thought that maybe CO2 would react different in alcohol.
is what that they'd all be different because they're all different liquids and they could do many different things.
My hypothesis is that they wouldn't change at all. And they'd all have the same reaction because it's technically the same thing.
Down here is a display of all of our liquids and things that we're going to use. We're going to be using the watermelon flavor, so it has the exact same, well, not the exact same, but it has all the same statistics and stuff. So behind each one is what liquid it is, water, carbonated water, hydrogen peroxide, rubbing alcohol, Coca-Cola, which is soda,
Good old
and
vegetable
vegetable oil. And
So the research that we have here is that if you pour Pop Rocks into a glass of water, you'll hear them cracking and popping. You can see tiny air bubbles rising as the candy dissolves. You're looking at a secret ingredient, carbon dioxide, that's pumped in the candy when it's still melted, trapping bubbles. I found this research at http://www.candyfavorites.com.
So water is our control. And what we're going to do is we're going to time every liquid to see how fast the Pop Rocks dissolve in the water. That's it.
Pour 'em in and
Oh, one's not done yet.
fine, I got one.
whoa,
Oh, sweet.
look, you look at that fizz. That is different.
Yeah, that is different. Look, they're all rising to the top.
Instead of the bottom.
Okay, that's cool.
They're all sticking to the top instead of the bottom because the CO2 is releasing.
Okay.
There's CO2 in the thing. And that
As
one's
for the
popping
other
much
one.
louder.
In which is doing nothing. Mine is turning into goop.
That's good, that's good. It's a lot.
How much did you leave out on the home?
That's busy. None.
What?
That's the same.
And what is this?
This is isopropyl alcohol,
Rubbing alcohol.
otherwise known as rubbing alcohol.
It's noticed to say that hydrogen peroxide has pretty much the same properties of water. I mean, it looks like it's going at about the same speed
Hill, let's do
as
yours.
the water was.
There's a lot more pebbles
Wait,
though,
what?
so.
These two are mine.
Oh!
Good thought.
Oh, it's not
I
even
mean-
the right thing.
Interesting. Interesting.
Just made cherry
It's
coke.
all at the top.
Made watermelon Coke.
Ew.
I want to drink that afterwards.
Delicious. Watermelon and Coke.
Sounds
Watermelon Coke.
Notice how, like, unlike the...
It's
Notice...
staying at the top. Like, unlike the different liquids, the Pop Rocks and the Coca-Cola is staying at the top.
much like a.
Yes.
What about the soda water?
The soda water.
The soda water
Here
was at
are
top
the
at first,
ingredients
but then they
of that.
started going
and notice
down.
it says CO2. That looks so fun. It's not doing anything.
It's not doing crap. No, it's not doing anything.
Why do you think that is?
Because it's not water.
really
It
a
doesn't
liquid.
consist of anything. Really, it's just oils.
Maybe
Oils
it's
are
made out of
thicker,
vegetables.
way thicker than these liquids. So that's probably why it's not
So it's probably
exploding.
what you're saying
Or
is
maybe
it's
it's just made out of
probably
vegetables.
just gonna do nothing.
It's probably
the rest
not
of
going to do
eternity.
anything. It's probably just going to melt, if anything.
You know what? I want to make something explode here.
One bubble. That was
think it's
one
just
bubble.
because it's vegetables.
Does sugar dissolve in water?
I want to see something.
Does sugar dissolve in oil?
No.
I don't think so. Because it doesn't actually contain water, so would it?
No.
I don't think so. Because all these other liquids probably contain water.
It's almost done. And that's fast. It's 4:26.
Science experiment is that the fastest dissolving liquid was Coca-Cola, and the slowest one was vegetable oil because it won't actually make anything dissolve, and so therefore the air bubbles won't come out. And